Hey guys, my name is Yuvraj. Welcome to my channel Technology Zone. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. Just recently, I had unboxed Google Pixel 4a. While I was setting up the phone, I received a new update. This update not only brings December 2020 security patch, but also some nifty features. Now let me brief you about those features. First feature is Extreme Battery Saver. Now this feature can be found in battery. Over there, battery saver. In the battery saver, we can find extreme battery saver option. I know extreme battery saver is not very uncommon. It is present in all the major Android OS skins. However, since it's a Pixel feature, it is baked deeply into the Android 11 system. This feature can be turned on when you customize it and when your battery reaches a certain low level. You can also select which of the apps you can use when this feature is turned on. In my case, I have selected Google Chrome, Google Drive, WhatsApp as well as the system apps. Next, the feature is adaptive charging. This feature can be found in battery. In the battery, you will click adaptive battery. Over here, you can find adaptive charging. Like majority of us, we keep our phone charged overnight while we set an alarm for the next day. Now, radically it decreases the battery quality of our phone. This feature will help in improving the battery life. 0 to 80% of the battery will charge very quickly, while rest 20% will get completed just before the alarm turns on. Now the third feature is the customization. Customization has never been a forte of the Pixel. However, this has changed in the Android 11. When you will click in the home screen, you will find styles and wallpapers. You have to just click the styles and wallpapers. First of all, you will find wallpaper option. In the wallpaper option, there are Mandalorian wallpapers. There are 5 wallpapers. You can select any one of them. Now, next feature is style. Once you click the style, you will find that there are various icon shapes and icon color. This gives an overall very cool view of your mobile phone. You can select any one of them. Third option is grid. Like the default grid is 5 apps. I always use the default grid, but you can select 4:4, 3:2, 2:2 depending on your choice. Now next feature is in the screenshot. Screenshot is present in every Android phone. In Pixel also it was present. However, the speed of the taking screenshot has increased drastically. Right now, once you have to just drag down the power menu and then you will find there is a screen option. Screenshot, once you click this, the screenshot will be taken. From here only you can share this screenshot in the social media apps as well as in any of the emailing apps. So this has drastically increased the time taking of the screenshot. Now next feature update is in the Google Photos. Once you click the Google Photo app, you can find that there are some various new options in the filters. You will click this edit option. Once you click this edit option, you will find there are enhanced, dynamic, vivid, luminous, radiant, amber, airy, afterglow, stormy. So what are these options? These options just increases the picture quality of your phone. Now next, once I click this vivid option, you will find that the color boost always takes place. Now if I click the dynamic option, the saturation level increases. This gives an overall very new view of your picture. Now these are all the new features of the Pixel Drop. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content coming really soon. Moreover, Pixel 4a camera review is coming very soon and you don't want to miss that review because you will find what a single camera can do, what magic Google can create with its software processing. Thank you guys. Take care.